How to replace a fluorescent light fixture. This was originally a video on how to replace the fluorescent bulb. We're gonna test it. Still not working. We tried that and that did not fix the problem. The problem is technically with the ballast, but we don't have a ballast of that size for this fixture. We just have entire fixtures in the shop, so we're just gonna replace the whole fixture. Remove the cover. New fixture.
Life gets me down when things don't go my way. The pain sinks in and I've got a lot to say. There's so much in my head, the battle is internal. Just want some peace of mind, but sometimes it gets infernal. And my soul thirsts for you like the tears. Sometimes I can't feel you except in my tears. The enemy seeks me, he's looking.
Load in. Let's test it. Woo!
You better believe I'm gonna fight till the end, till there's nothing left, till there's no more to spend. Gonna keep my faith when I can't comprehend.
All good. Like and subscribe.